obviously looking to keep our equipment and operators safe and protect the underground utilities. So as the operators pull onto site, stop, a quick walk around by them, checking for any visible signs of something that isn't marked. They know where the location is. If the first call hasn't been done, if the locates aren't done, they know that they can call back into their manager, dispatcher. Locates haven't been done, that stops the job right there. So that's step one for sure. White lining or black lining is a method that is used in the industry to mark off our work area where we will be working and actually doing the digging. So white lining in the summertime, that white line, or a black line in the wintertime. On the snow, there will be no hydrovacuum done beyond that. So operators are coming onto a site that has electrical, and we're going to uncover an electrical line. So they know they need to use their bonding mat. So the first off is an inspection of the bonding mat that's on the truck, making sure it's got no rips, it's clean, it's ready to go. Then our assistant running the boom is set off 2 meters to the side, and we can start digging. Training and ensuring that we have competent operators out there is very important to keep that standard where it needs to be to keep these guys safe. Pressures are very important. Our mandate is 1500 PSI, but we will talk to the facility owner and get their mandate. And that can be adjusted down to 1200. SAS Power with some pedestals, we know they like us right around 1000 PSI. If you're an underground pipeline and you've got a 50-year-old pipeline in the ground and you want us to find it for you, you're going to indicate a very, very low pressure. You're going to ask that we don't go above 1000 PSI until we find that facility. If you're a pipeline that's quite new, the ground's frozen, you're going to push that up to that 1300 PSI. So knowing those pressures is very important. Knowing what's in the ground is important as well. With your locates, you kind of get an idea where the line is. You want to get your hole started on that side, get your dig tube down on that side, quite a ways away from the line, you know it's not there, but you're constantly using a sweeping motion back and forth. And as you get your dig tube down to the depth of the line, then you can work where you think the line is, and in a sweeping motion from across that line, you sweep to your dig tube. So in no time do you stop on top of the line. You never run parallel with the line with your wand. You always run across it with a sweeping motion down to your dig tube. Even though the pressures are set properly, if you're not making a sweeping motion, you can easily punch a hole in that line. The idea is to not stop on the utility at all. As you're moving in the sweeping motion, you're also doing a rotating motion of the wand.
According to the DIRT Report, a voluntary reporting tool across Canada for underground infrastructure damages, there were more than 11,000 underground line contacts across the country and about 700 in Saskatchewan in 2018. The majority of those were Crown facilities. In Saskatchewan, 30% of contacts occurred when digging without requesting a locate.